Lithium-ion batteries are essential in modern electronics, powering everything from smartphones to electric vehicles. The manufacturing process of lithium-ion batteries is a complex one, with many steps involved. In recent years, laser welding has become increasingly popular as a method for joining the components of lithium-ion batteries. In today's video, we'll be discussing the advantages of laser welding in lithium battery manufacturing. First and foremost, laser welding is a non-contact process that requires no physical contact between the welding tool and the material being welded. This reduces the risk of contamination and damage to the battery components. Additionally, laser welding is a highly precise process that can create strong, consistent welds with minimal material distortion. This makes it ideal for welding the thin and delicate components of lithium-ion batteries. Since one of the requirements of joints in lithium battery cells and pack is the electrical resistance, laser welding process provides the lowest joint electrical resistance compared to ultrasonic and spot resistance welding, allowing to increase the cell and pack performance. Another advantages of laser welding are speed and flexibility. Laser welding can join battery components in a matter of milliseconds, which is much faster than traditional welding methods. This increases the efficiency of the battery manufacturing process, allowing for higher production rates and lower operating costs even thanks to minimum maintenance. Laser welding can be used in cell and battery pack manufacturing with different laser source power depends on the specific application. The laser source power used can vary from 1 kilowatt to kW depends on the thickness of materials involved and the performance needed. Currently the main laser technology used is the IR laser, but some players are starting to use green laser due to higher efficiency especially for copper components. In conclusion, laser welding offers many advantages for lithium-ion battery manufacturing. It is a precise, fast, versatile, and eco-friendly process that can create strong and consistent welds. As the demand for lithium-ion batteries continues to grow, laser welding is sure to play an increasingly important role in their production. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more science and technology content.